Decoration of the terrace. Wood is a material that can ennoble almost any surface, and you will be surprised when you find out how easy it is to finish a terrace with wood using the Danish I-clip system. As you can guess from the name, its secret lies in the fastening, which is carried out with the help of snaps. First, metal mounting rails are laid on the floor, one for each square meter of floor. As you can see, there are latches all over the surface of the lath, all because further on the frame is laid terrace board, on the inside of which you can find grooves. Such a system allows you to fix the finishing material quickly, well, literally in seconds. Boards can be made of natural wood or composite. In the first case, they are pre-treated with heat treatment to acquire resistance to humidity and temperature fluctuations. Installation of a modular staircase. Now we will show how quickly and easily with your own hands you can build a staircase for access to the second floor. A special system is offered by the Danish company Modular. The design can be straight or rotary and contains dates 11 to 13 steps made of natural beech. The frame of the staircase must be particularly strong, so it is made of metal. The base is fixed to the floor of the second floor, then modules are laid down from it. It is they who will support the wooden steps. The second part of the base of the frame is screwed to the floor of the first floor. Finally, the last stages are the installation of steps and railings. All of them are also screwed to the metal frame. Laying an artificial lawn. This option is ideal for people who want to have a beautiful and tidy area around the house, but do not want to spend effort on its maintenance. Artificial turf is laid on a pre-prepared surface. The top layer of soil is removed from the area. To stabilize the site and prevent the germination of weeds, the surface is covered with fine stone mixed with a dry cement sand mixture. The material is carefully distributed over the entire working area and then tamped down. In our case, with the help of a vibratory rammer, a membrane is laid on top of the prepared surface to protect it from weeds. Only then is it time to install the rolled artificial turf. The material is fixed with special glue and nails. Construction of a frame pool. Modern technologies allow you to get a functional pool many times faster and easier than before. The optimal solution is to build a frame-removable pool from a special composite material. Almost any free space is suitable for construction. The size of the pool the customer selects for his own yard. There are also several options for placing the structure on the ground, fully or partially buried. In any case, construction begins with the assembly of the frame, which is held on metal posts for greater strength. The resulting container is covered with a film made of polyvinyl chloride. It will hold the water in the pool and at the same time will be its floor and walls. After that, it is necessary to install the sides, make holes for drainage and water intake. The advantage of this pool is that the design is prefabricated, which means that if the pool is not buried in the ground, at any time it can be removed, thus freeing up space. Installation is carried out by 2 people on average in about 5 hours. Installing a drainage channel. The following idea that we're going to share will help you avoid a flood in your backyard when it rains heavily. The German company Me Group offers simple but effective drainage channels. Their peculiarity is in the simple installation, which is performed by one person without the use of special equipment. The installation starts with digging a trench. Its depth should exceed the depth of the channel by about 4 inches. So that the system can be easily connected to the existing sewerage system, the channels are provided in advance with places for holes. The craftsman only has to cut out the excess material in the desired location. Next, the trench is filled with concrete mortar. Before the material dries and hardens, the drainage channel is placed in it. After that, it remains only to fill the trench with concrete up to the edges. Wait for it to dry and decorate it accordingly, for example, as in our case, with paving stones. Imitation brickwork. Any wall can look as if it was made of bricks. You just need to design it correctly and choose the right materials. The video demonstrates the solution Master Brick from the Polish company MP Magister-Pol. However, similar analogs can be found in other manufacturers. The design is carried out in several steps. The first, painting the surface in a base tone, which will determine the color of the joints between the bricks. The second step is attaching a self-adhesive template to the wall. Finally, the third step is to repaint the surface, now already in the desired color of the brick. Used in this case is not an ordinary paint, but a special colored mass with a plastic consistency on a water basis. This allows you to give the surface a texture. To make the finished wall have a more realistic appearance, the manufacturer offers 2 shades of paint, lighter and darker. When the paint dries, it's time for the last step. The template is removed. The finished coating turns out to be durable, elastic. Biocides in the colorant provide protection against microbiological corrosion. Building a fire pit. An interesting solution for decorating the courtyard is to build a fire pit. It will create a cozy corner near the house and will take a little space. Well, thanks to the simple installation procedure, the process will take a maximum of 2 days. First, with the help of thread circulars, a can of paint and wood, the location of the future fire pit is marked. A 2-inch thick layer of soil is removed from the marked area. The earth is tamped down and the surface is leveled. The hole is filled with gravel crumbs and tamped again. Next, it is necessary to build the walls of the fire pit from stone. Between themselves, they are fastened with the help of glue for concrete. A metal ring is laid inside the resulting structure. After that, the fire pit is filled with lava stones. Done! You can carry the shot and set fire to it. Imitation tile. It's no secret that tile is characterized by high cost and therefore cannot be installed in every house. For this reason, materials that allow you to imitate the appearance of the corresponding surface are very popular. Their device is something like stickers for decorating the stairs, which we have already shown today. These are carved overlays on a sticky base. Despite the fact that the edges have an uneven surface repeating the contour of the tile, together the overlays form a solid continuous pattern. Installation is not difficult. You only need to pre-clean the surface and then glue the stickers very evenly. This option is ideal for the design of kitchen aprons and bathrooms, as it is resistant to moisture, the appearance of mold. Also, overlays will help to quickly update the appearance of the room, if it is boring. The video demonstrates the tile options offered by the American company Roommates Decor. Staircase decoration. Special stickers from Quadro Style will help to give the stairway in the house a completely new, unusual look. The company offers over 100 of their varieties, and decoration is not difficult. Stickers have a self-adhesive surface. The main thing is to choose the right height, and then be careful when gluing. It is recommended to thoroughly clean the surface beforehand, as particles of small debris can cause air bubbles. The width is adjusted to the size of the steps very easily. Since the material is soft, the excess can be cut off even with a stationary knife. Installation of facade blocks. The last idea, which we are going to talk about today, makes it possible to give the facade the appearance of real brickwork in a short time. The corium brick system consists of two parts. The first is a metal frame. The second part is the bricks themselves, which are placed on the surface without glue or any mortars. The bricks and the frame are fitted with a system of latches. The finished surface repels water, provides ventilation, and is not afraid of temperature fluctuations. Intera offers more than 20 color solutions, but similar analogs can be found in other companies.